Hi, just a quick update. So I just finished the morning starting on the new project, and so this is again just kind of going through my experience of what it's like starting a new project as like a remote Salesforce admin developer. So it looks like on this project I'll probably be doing more development than admin. So I just got an overview of what their implementation looks like, and it's pretty impressive. It's a lot of Visualforce pages, automating like a really complicated process, and it looks like there's a lot of work to be done there. Boy, sorry for the wind here. I'll try to stand so the mic is blocking the wind. So starting out remotely, so what I did was, instead of trying to work from home during this first week, I've actually rented space in an office building. So this is the building here. It's just a Regis office. I pay like $90 a month to have access to their lobby area, which seems pretty reasonable to me. So I showed up early, got situated there, reached out to the manager and just let her know that, hey, I'm here. Made sure that I had access to like our morning meeting, and yeah, everything was set up really nice. Usually starting with any project, there's some stumbling blocks. Like, for example, you don't have access to all of the systems usually on day one. So for example, I don't have access to source control yet, but I do have access to some of their document repositories. So I spent a good amount of time just going through and reading some of their architecture documents. I went in and used IntelliJ and brought down the code base and started looking at some of the Apex code and triggers and things like that, and just kind of familiarized myself with their setup. Went through and looked, are there any flows, are there process builders, what are the customizations to the standard objects. Just kind of went through some of the basic stuff. Had like a stand-up. It's pretty normal, do a stand-up in the morning. And for this project, there happened to be 2 stand-ups. And then did a just kind of an overview meeting this morning. And just trying to get to know some of the people there. The chat system I don't have full access to yet, so we kind of reached out and used our own, just like Google Hangout messages kind of thing. But yeah, we just worked it out. So I would say overall this morning was a very typical start of a new project. And yeah, it's a lot of good people, a lot of neat tech, and looking forward to really getting to help out on the project. So right now I'm just leaving for lunch. It's a bit of a rainy day here in Wisconsin. I'm gonna go get some food. I let everyone know that I was leaving. I'll come back and check in, and hopefully I can get some work assigned to me. Otherwise I'm just gonna continue looking through the documents and just trying to learn as much as I can until the floodweight of work hits me. But so far it's been a very positive experience. The location is pretty comfortable. I mean, it's a Regis business lounge, so that you have people coming and going, which is okay for me. I just put headphones on and listen to music and just go about my day. So far I like it. But that's all. So I'll check in again at the end of the day and continue to just document what my experience is. And again, I think the hope is that maybe if you see what it's like for me, maybe having you try to do something similar will be, I don't know, not so scary, or I don't know, maybe try to help you in some way. If you have questions about what this is like, if you want to know more of the details, just reach out in the comments. I'll be happy to answer any questions. All right, have fun.